Did you know that even a little shading can have severe detrimental effects on an entire string of solar modules? And exposing to extreme temperatures can cause hotspots, decreasing a whole module string's power output. Today, new solar module generation technology from Coulee Limited has increased the module output of up to 15 watts per module compared to standard solar modules, boosting the efficiency of up to 19.79%. Coulee Limited's new solar module series based on the latest trend of half-cut cell technology is not only cutting the cells into half, but also reducing the cost, ensuring a lower LCOE. What changes have been made? Coulee Limited's half-cut cell solar module is an upgraded version of the conventional mono-PERC solar module. For example, a half-cut cell module consists of 144 half cells instead of 72 complete cells, while keeping nearly the same dimensions as the standard module, without changing the design of the current mounting or tracking system. The cells are cut into equal pieces known as half cells, which reduces internal resistance and increase the overall efficiency of the solar module. As the power loss is proportional to the square of the current, the power loss in a half cell is reduced by a factor of 4, which increase the overall power output. Once the half cells have been connected in strings, the module is laid out in two twin sections with an equal number of cells connected in a series appearing as a top and a bottom half. Additionally, mono-PERC cell technology, 5 busbar cells, and split junction boxes supplement this innovative solution. Superior price performance. Half-cell design improves the efficiency of a standard module, increasing the module output without adding much to the cost. Customers can enjoy cost-effective solutions without compromising on power output. Less shade impact. Bypass diodes and innovative series parallel connections enable the half-cell module to perform better in a partial shadow condition. With 6 module cell strings, a half-cell module has twice as much cell strings as a standard solar module. With more strings, the effect of partial shade is less severe. Less hotspot. With half cells, one cell generates only half the current than that of a standard cell, so heat production declines, thus reducing the chance of a hotspot generation. When one solar cell in a module cell string is shaded, lower heat production positively affects module longevity. Reduce power loss. Half-cell technology reduces resistive losses in the interconnection of solar modules. Less resistance between the cells increases the power output of a module. Improved heat dissipation. The use of 3 separate smaller junction boxes with each containing 1 bypass diode reduces internal resistance and enables new layout design for increased output. Half is more, getting Coulee Limited's half-cut cell solar modules for more power.